Welcome to this overview of the new features of Astrée and RuleChecker in the release 1910. What is new in the 1910 release of Astrée and RuleChecker? We have 4 big exciting new features that I will present for you. Of course, we also have a lot more news, but they would not fit in this video. It is now possible to blacklist and whitelist folders and files in the RuleChecker configuration. I already prepared an example with which I can demonstrate that for you. We need to go on Configuration Analyzer, then click on Rules and open this configuration section here on the left-hand side. Specifying which file or folder should be included or excluded from rule checking can be done by either double-clicking on the configuration or open the context menu via right-click and click on Edit Configuration. Then we can enter a name here. I will call it My Configuration. And then we can select and deselect the wanted files and folders. For that, we click on the green plus here, then we see our files and folder structure, and then I would say I want to include this file here, exclude that file, to click on exclude, and then I can also say I want to include here the whole folder, for example. Then I click on OK, and the files and folders that I selected are shown here on the left-hand side. Files or directories that are included in the rule checking are displayed with a green plus on the left-hand side, and those that are excluded are shown with a red cross. This feature can speed up your work with RuleChecker even more. The next feature that I will present for you today are the new C++ code metrics. RuleChecker now also computes C++ code metrics, not just C metrics. We need to go on Overview, Metrics, and then I will expand it a little. You see that we have code metrics per location, per file, and per function. But they are not only shown in the metrics view here, but also in the output view down here. So function matrix, file matrix, and project matrix. Let's get back to the slides to tell you that we improved the alarm reporting. Now you can not only see the alarm information in the output view that leads you to the alarm location, but you also see the code excerpt in which the problem occurs directly below the alarm. I also prepared an example analysis to give you a better overview of the feature. Here you see that the code snippet is just below the alarm. This gives you an even quicker overview about the problem. These code excerpts are, as you can see, also linked with the alarm location in the editor views. So when an alarm location is selected, it is shown and highlighted in both editors. We also have the option code lines, with which you can specify the number of code lines that are shown with the alarm, or to disable the feature if you don't want to see it at all. But you don't only see the code excerpts in the output view, but they will also appear in the reports. So let's just quickly create a report and look into it. We need to scroll down to the alarm section. And here we see also in the report we get the code snippet that is mentioned in the report just below the alarm. So this is a really handy feature. The last news that I will tell you today is that we removed the notifications from Astrée and replaced them by the diagnostic rule set and by alarms of class D. The rule set can be accessed via Analyzer Rules, and it is recommended that the diagnostic rule set is always active. If this is not the case, a warning appears up here in the GUI. An example for a notification that has been changed to an alarm of class D is this function call to a function name never returns in this context. This also directly follows the infinite loop alarm in the same function. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, please visit our website www.absint.com.